Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start practice set 3.1. Watch the video carefully and up to end so you have to understand all the examples. If you have missed my previous video, I have given the links below in the description box which help you to understand this video. Practice set 3.1. First example. In figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle A, angle B is equal to 40 degree. Angle A is equal to 70 degree given. So find out measure of this angle, that is ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Remote interior angles theorem. So write down the solution. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Write down the reason. Theorem of remote interior angles. इथं तुम्ही theorem of remote interior angles किंवा remote interior angles ह्यापैकी काही दोन्ही प्रकारे तुम्ही लिहू शकता. Now substitute the values. 70 degree plus 40 degree, 110 degree. So write down the answer. ACD is equal to 110 degree. Now here I take second example. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 70 degree, Q is equal to 65. Find R. Solution. The sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the value. 70 plus 65 plus angle R is equal to 180. 70 plus 65, 135. So, angle R is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. Now write down the answer. Angle R is equal to 45. मला इथं जागा नाही आहे म्हणून मी इकडे घेतलेले आहे, पण तुम्ही सलग एकाखाली एक स्टेप्स लिहायचे, दोन पार्ट करून लिहायचे नाहीत. Third example, the measures of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Solution. Write down the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus in bracket x minus 20 bracket complete plus x minus 40 bracket complete is equal to 180 degree. Now remove the bracket. Therefore, 3x minus 20 minus 40, that is equal to minus 60 is equal to 180. Now this 60 we bring on right hand side. Therefore 3x is equal to 180 plus 60. Therefore 3x is equal to 240. Therefore x is equal to 80. 240 divided by 3. Therefore, x minus 20 is equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. And x minus 40 is equal to 80 minus 40 is equal to 40 degree. So write down the answer. The measure of angles of a triangle are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Fourth example. The measure of one of the angle of a triangle is twice of the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice of the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of the three angles. The smallest one we taken as A, then second angle that is twice of the measure of the smallest angle, that is 2A, and the third one is thrice of the measure of the smallest angle. So write down solution. Let the measure of the smallest angle of triangle be A degree. By given condition, the measure of the second angle of triangle is equal to be 2A degree. The measure of the third angle of a triangle be 3A degree. Now write down the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, A plus 2A plus 3A is equal to 180 degree. Now, A plus 2A, 3A, 3A plus 3A, 6A is equal to 180 degree. This 6 we bring on right hand side becomes division. When we divide 180 by 6, we get answer A is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, 2A is equal to 60 degree and 3A is equal to 90 degree. The measures of all angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If here asked which type of triangle is it? It is a right angle triangle because one of the angle is 90 degree or a right angle. Similarly, the measure of all angles are different. Therefore, this is a scalene right angle triangle also. Fifth example. In figure, measure of some angles are given. That is, this is 100 degree, 140 degree. Using the measures, find the values of x, y and z. Solution. These two angles, 100 and y. These two angles make angles in linear pair. Therefore, addition of these two is equal to 180. Angle TEN plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree. Write down the reason angles in linear pair. Now substitute the value. 100 degree plus y degree is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Now, here, how to find out the value of x? Here, I find out the value of x. X plus y is equal to 140. Remote interior angles theorem. Angle EMR is equal to angle x plus y. Remote interior angles. Therefore, 140 is equal to x plus 80. Therefore, x is equal to 140 minus 80 is equal to 60 degree. Now, how to find out the value of z? From linear pair z and 140. angle EMN plus angle EMR is equal to 180 angles in linear pair. Angle Z plus 140 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. इकडे लक्ष द्या आता अँगल एक ची व्हॅल्यू आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे कसं काढू शकू. आता हे लिनियर पेअर हे दोन्ही काढले. हा किती आलाय 80 डिग्री. y इज इक्वल टू 80 40. मग x प्लस y प्लस z सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 180. त्यानुसार सुद्धा h ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही काढू शकता. किंवा समजा तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा z ची व्हॅल्यू काढलेली आहे, z ची व्हॅल्यू काढली आणि हा एक्सटेरियर अँगल घेतला 100 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस z. या पद्धतीने पण h ची व्हॅल्यू काढू शकता. तुम्हाला जे लक्षात येईल त्याप्रमाणे सोडवायचं आहे एक्झाम्पल. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे व्हॅल्यू काढले तरीही तेच येणार आहे. आता समजा मी असं केलं की पहिल्यांदा z ची व्हॅल्यू काढून घेतली. z ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 40 डिग्री. बरोबर आहे. z ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली आहे 40 डिग्री. मी असं म्हटलं की अँगल x प्लस z is equal to 100 degree because this is exterior angle. X plus Z is 40 degree. 100 minus 40 is equal to 60 degree. अब 40 इकडे नेला आपण. ठीक आहे. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degree. जर समजा तुम्ही असे नाही x आणि y आणि z च्या व्हॅल्यू काढून घेतल्या. y ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 80 डिग्री. z ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 40 डिग्री. मग तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीने करू शकाल. अजून x प्लस y प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. रिझन काय येणार आहे सांगा. सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल. मग x as it is 80 plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. मग x is equal to काय होईल बघा 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. आन्सर प्रत्येक वेळेला सारखेच येणार आहे. तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे हे एक्झाम्पल सोडवू शकता. Sixth example. In figure, line AB parallel line DE. Find the measure of angle DRE means this angle and angle ARE means this angle. Now here what is given part? This AB is parallel to DE and we take this is a transversal, then this angle congruent to this alternate angles. Write down solution. Line AB parallel line DE and segment AD is a transversal. Therefore, this is a given part. Therefore, angle ADE means this angle is equal to angle BAD, this angle. Write down the reason. Alternate angles. Therefore, angle ADE is equal to 70 degree. This is 70 degree. Angle ADE or angle RDE also. Angle ARE is an exterior angle. This angle. This is an exterior angle of triangle DRE. DRE. Angle DRE चा हा काय आहे? This is an exterior angle. Therefore, angle ARE is equal to angle RDE plus angle RED. RDE means this angle plus this. Remote interior angles. ARE is equal to 70 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 110 degree. Now, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So, write down angle ARE plus angle DRE is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. Therefore, 110 plus angle DRE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DRE is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to DRE is equal to 70 degree. Seventh example. In triangle ABC, bisector of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. Angle C is given, that is 70 degree. Now find out angle AOB. Means this angle. These two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. Solution. In triangle ABC, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle C plus angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the value of C, 70 degree plus angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180. Therefore, angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 110 degree. This is statement number 1. Ray AO and OB are the bisector of angle CAB and CBA respectively. Therefore, angle OAB means this angle is equal to half of angle CAB. This is statement number 2. Similarly, angle OBA is half of angle CBA. This is statement number 3. Now, we add these two angles. What happens? Therefore, angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to half. We take common and in bracket angle CAB plus angle CBA. Adding statement number 2 and 3. Now from 1, sum of these two angles is equal to 110 degree. Now substitute the values. Therefore angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 110 is equal to 55 degree. Now we take, now observe, we take this triangle. Triangle AOB. Write down in triangle. This is statement number 4 and from 1. This value is substituted from statement number 1. In triangle AOB, sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Write down the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now write down the angles. Angle OAB means this angle plus angle OBA means this angle and plus this, that is angle AOB is equal to 180. Now observe this statement number 4. Sum of these two angles is equal to 55. Write down. Therefore 55 plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree is equal to 125 degree. So write down this example in your notebook. In figure, line AB parallel line CD and PQ is a transversal, ray PT is a bisector of angle BPQ and QT is a bisector of angle PQD given. Then show that this angle PPTQ is equal to 90 degree. Solution. Line AB parallel line CD and PQ is a transversal. This is given. Therefore, sum of these two angles is complete angle. Addition of these two is equal to 180 interior angle theorem. Angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. This is statement number 1. Interior angles theorem. Now, what is given part? This PT is bisector of this angle. Ray PT is the bisector of ray PT and ray QT are the bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Means this is a bisector of BPQ and this is the bisector of angle PQD. Given. Therefore, angle TPQ means this angle is half of angle BPQ and this is statement number 2. Now 3, that is angle TQP. Angle TQP is half of angle PQD. This is statement number 3. Now we add 2 and 3. TPQ, angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to half into angle BPQ plus half into angle PQD. Adding 2 and 3. Left hand side as it is. Here we take 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 common. 1 upon 2 into bracket angle BPQ plus angle PQD. Now, from statement number 1, what is the value of this bracket? That is 180 degree. Left hand side as it is, angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to 1 upon 2 into 180 degree is equal to 90 degree. This is statement number 4 from 1. Now we take this triangle PQT. In this triangle, sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. This is given part. This is proved part in triangle PQT. Angle TPQ plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Write down the reason, sum of all angles of triangle. Now substitute the value of these two angles from statement number 4, that is 90 degree. Therefore 90 degree plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore from 4. Therefore angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Here we proved that the measure of this angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Write down this example in your